Pray mo na. Okay. Hello everyone. Okay. You pray before you eat. One more.
Huwag mabilis ha.
You more.
Hindi ni Jesus.
You pray one more. Okay.
Magalan mo.
Okay, God bless. Okay, good morning, children. How are you today? Short, breakfast. Hello, son. How are you? Princess. You eat more. Okay, God bless everyone. Okay.